Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my short presentation. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am Citra Puspita with NPM 2013-041043. Today I am talking about Tapis Lampung. Tapis cloth is known as one of the traditional Indonesian fabrics which has become an icon of weaving for the people of Lampung. In addition to having a unique appearance because the pattern display are very distinctive and different from fabric material in general. The process of making tapis cloth itself is actually also interesting to learn. Definition of tapis cloth. Tapis cloth is an ethnic Lampung. Ethnic cloth made of woven cotton theirs decorated with silver or gold their embroidery. In the area of origins, this tapis woven fabric is said to be made by many women in their spare time to meet the demands of custom that are considered sacred. As a complement to women's clothing, tapis cloth can be used as a sarung that covers the body from the waist down. However, as time goes by, this fabric is also produced by craftsmen with various kinds of decoration as a commodity that has a high enough economic value. In terms of motifs and knickknacks displayed, tapis woven fabric in principle have special characteristics that you will not find in other fabric craft products because the tapis cloth motif itself is known to be very beautiful because it is made manually using the hand embroidery method. The combination of hand embroidery methods and gold deer material also makes the tapis motif look very beautiful, unique, luxurious, and elegant. It is almost impossible to make a mass imitation of tapis fabric with the help of my chance because the tapis motif is made with a high level of difficulty and complexity. The meaning of tapis cloth. For the indigenous people of Lampung, tapis cloth is considered a cloth that has a very high symbolic meaning, one of which is a symbol of holiness that can protect the wearer from all dirt from the outside. 1. The symbolic meaning of tapis cloth is found in the unified wall of the applet motif. 2. The basic color of tapis cloth can also be used as a form of belief that symbolizes the greatness of the creator of nature. 3. Tapis cloth has a sacred function in various traditional and religious ceremonies. 4. Tapis cloth is a traditional tool that like a family heirloom. The stratified structure of society then also gave birth to the rules for the use of tapis cloth as traditional clothing that adjust their social status in society accompanied by punishment or sanction for community members who violate them. Tapis fabric making process. As one of the fabric that is difficult to mass produce because the manufacturing process takes a long time. Tapis cloth basically has a high potential be preserved and further developed according to the fashion taste of modern society. Based on the equipment used, the process of making tapis cloth itself can generally be grouped into two ways. First, with Gedogan looms and non-machine looms, and for the process of making tapis cloth with a machine loom. Utilization of tapis fabric. Usually, the people of Lampung use tapis cloth in traditional and religious ceremonies. However, currently, the use of tapis cloth is more popularly worn by the people of Lampung at weddings. Apart from being used as clothing, there is also tapis cloth which is specially designed for wall decoration. Some type of Lampung tapis cloth according to the wearer that you need to know include tapis Jungsarat, tapis Raja Tunggal, tapis Raja Medal, tapis Andak Laut, tapis Bala, tapis Silung, tapis Laut Linau, tapis Pucuk Rebung, tapis Cucu Andak, tapis Limar Sekebar, tapis Cucu Pinggir, tapis Tuho, tapis Ageng, tapis Inuh, tapis Dewosano, tapis Kaca, tapis Bintang, tapis Bidak Cukil, and tapis Bintang, perak. From what was originally used for special purpose related to the custom and belief of the Lampung people. Now, tapis small fabric is actually starting to be used as a commodity product that has high artistic value, such as women's blouse, dress, skirt, and other fashion items that are adapted to today's styles. That's all I have to say. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.